Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my second tutorial on Appsheet. This tutorial I will show how to calculate total sum of a month in app. So for this month, this is my data table. You can see this is my daytime key column, then criteria, then cost. I have to summarize month wise total cost. Which month I make entry, it will show in app how much total of this. Let's go to app. In my app, you can see this is day, month, year. This column month, year. Month, year column is made from this formula. This formula exactly from my date time. It will convert date and slash the middle, then year from the date. So it is showing date and month. You can see full month. When I make an entry, it will convert this column as a in Appsheet. Now move on to the virtual column. Virtual column name will be total cost of this month. Formula, as I have to summarize, so sum, then select this price, sub price, price column is from daily name is daily family expenses. So type daily is also showing. So this summary will be daily family expenses. To done. So sum select year cost text format. This current empty date will convert to month date and it will match total month summarize. Now check. Save. Now check, it is showing total month cost. Okay, if I go now check what is showing in my app. Refresh. Now it's 9,200 Now my Excel is 9,200 Okay, if I make any entry, further entry, it's not changing. If I want to change this, go to plus, okay, plus current cost. This is current cost. Okay, boom, boom. There is already showing 9,200 160. If I add 114, it will change. If I add 4, it will be 15. If I add 24, it will be 41. If I close both of them, it is showing. So the formula is 2, 4, 4. This is showing pure floating. Now, boom. Thank you very much.